All you need to know about the galactose metabolism for the USMLE is step 1. Lactose get converted into the galactose in the presence of lactase in the small intestinal brush borders. These galactose gets converted into the galactose 1-phosphate in the presence of galactokinase, which requires ATP. These galactose 1-phosphate in the presence of galactose 1-phosphate uridyl transferase get converted in the presence of UDP glucose, which requires UDP glucose, so it will be converted into UDP galactose and glucose 1-phosphate. This is the ultimate product which we required for the glycolysis and glycogenesis. Galactose can also be converted into the galactitol in the presence of aldose reductase. What happens in the enzyme deficiencies of galactokinase? Let's study that. Galactokinase deficiency causes decrease in the galactokinase, decrease in the galactose 1-phosphate, the product of galactokinase, and increase in the galactitol. Because galactose takes the other route, goes into the aldose reductase pathway to increase the galactose, like this, increases the galactose. The features of galactokinase deficiency. Galactokinase, you remember this mnemonic GALAC. Let's see what it describes. G for galactokinase, galactosemia, galactosuria. A for abnormal eye tracing, L for lack of smile, A for autosomal recessive, C for cataract. I just draw this diagram so I can remember it. Got it? Now, another enzyme deficiency causing classic galactosemia. What is that enzyme? That is decrease in the galactokinase 1-phosphate uridyl transferase. That causes increase in the galactitol and increase in the galactose. What happens in these is galactose get converted into the galactose 1-phosphate in the presence of galactokinase, but it can't be converted into glucose 1-phosphate because galactose kinase 1-phosphate uridyl transferase is not there. What happens? This galactose 1-phosphate build up, it causes the negative feedback effect on the galactokinase. So what happens? Galactose will be building up, so it will goes into the aldose reductase pathway to increase the galactitol. So galactitol and galactose will be more increased in the classic galactosemia. Now coming to the feature, remember classic. C for classic galactosemia, C for cataract. Cataract is severe than the galactokinase deficiencies, galactosemia. Severe, and L for liver and enlargement, hepatomegaly, A for autosomal recessive, S for sepsis, E. coli sepsis, S for start of feeding, start of breastfeeding it occurs, I for intellectual disability, C for color means jaundice causes yellowing of skin of baby. What should be the treatment should exclude galactose and lactose. Okay.